Hi, I'm Tyler Cockler, and I work with Kwikset, and we're going to talk about our different products that we have today. Um, we have a pretty wide array of different technologies, everything that we work with, depending on what the consumer wants. Whether they're going to have a standalone product. We have a lot that have no wireless connectivity that just act as a standalone access control, and then we have some that operate on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or Z-Wave or Zigbee or whatever's going to fit into that ecosystem that they're trying to build. In the DIY space, a lot of the time they're looking at Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Z-Wave. That's pretty widespread across that channel. And everything you see here, of course, is available also in Z-Wave, which you can integrate with any of your hubs, any of your home automation processors that you already have there. And then, of course, we have our standalone products, which you guys saw from videos of CES, like the Halo Wi-Fi lock or the Aura, which is Bluetooth lock as well. Then, of course, in addition to the Kivo, that is Bluetooth lock that's been around for quite a while. And what you see here, these are specific to Control 4, but these are all available in other frequencies as well. This is our 914, which is a 10-button lock with our smart key cylinder in here. And then, moving forward, same functionality, looking at our touchscreens, but this is our contemporary 916 touchscreen that is now available in Iron Black. And Iron Black, or this matte black finish, is actually the #1 finish on the mechanical side of the business. So what we're seeing is consumers are wanting a lot more contemporary and black hardware in their homes. So these products have expanded into that. And we also have a contemporary version of this one that is available in that color as well. And then, of course, we have our keyless touchscreen. More time that goes by and more people that get used to not using their keys at all, the less need we have for keys. And it's kind of created a market segment where they're looking for keyless locks, like the Obsidian, and that's where this one comes in. This is actually the Signature Series. This one, in Control 4, it's a combination product, whereas if you look at the Z-Wave line, it's actually two separate products. So in Z-Wave, you have the option of getting the Signature Series 10 volt, which is basically a full replacement with no keypad. So you have all that remote functionality. You can control it through rules to whatever home automation system you're using, and you can integrate it as part of that larger system. Or you can use, in Z-Wave, it's called the Convert, and basically that's an interior replacement where you would take over whatever existing hardware you already have, whether that's ours and maybe one of our competitors. Maybe they have a Schlage lock that they really like, and you want to integrate with that. You can use the Convert and take over using this. And it has adapters in the box and different brackets actually made up with other manufacturers' hardware, so they can add that proven Kwikset Z-Wave connectivity to anybody else's hardware. Looking across all of these different products, they're all going to take their user codes. They're all going to communicate through whichever frequency that your customer's needing. And of course, all of them that have keywaves are going to use our smart key cylinders as well. But we continue to expand the product line to integrate with different systems, and of course, like you see here with the Iron Black, into different finishes and different styles in consumers' homes as well.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.